I need to rethink this. Huh?
A coconut dog. When it sleeps, it's often mistaken for a very round rock. But when awoken, these giants stand at nearly 10 meters tall and have 3 enormous nostrils, which make equally enormous sneezes. Triumph at last!